This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Fogel. Virtual tour available. Welcome to 3431 Pointe Creek Court No. 104, a freshly updated and move-in ready first floor residence with popular great room floor plan and personal detached garage, absolute privacy, and exceptionally convenient location. Featured improvements include renovated primary suite with luxurious tile work, dual sinks, and frameless shower enclosure, new HVAC, new carpets, new stainless kitchen appliances, fresh interior paint, all with new plantation shutters ordered and coming soon. Quietly tucked away in the point and boasting southwestern exposure, this residence with private screened and lanai outdoor living space backs up to lush preserve and tropical landscaping, with beautiful Spring Creek just beyond to greet you with your morning coffee. The Pointe's private resort-style pool facility is located just steps away, immediately across the street, but completely sheltered from view or pool noise. The Pointe also offers routinely scheduled activities, grilling stations, a small neighborhood clubhouse to explore, and some of the most stunning landscaping throughout the community. The Pointe is unique in Pelican Landing for offering its own private kayak and canoe launch outside of the primary Spring Creek and Estero Bay facilities, all complimentary for residents, making this the ultimate neighborhood to roll out of bed and go for a paddle among the mangroves and manatees. The Pointe and Pelican Landing as a whole have performed exceptionally well in recent storms, this home included, and the community now benefits from a reputation as one of the most resilient in the area. Pelican Landing residents enjoy world-class amenities, including a 34-acre private island beach club, Gulf access sailing, kayaking, and boat ramp, 12 hard-true tennis courts, pickleball, bocce, and a trainer-attended fitness center. This convenient location is only a short ride to the community center, grocery store, pharmacy, and numerous casual and fine dining options without even venturing out onto any major roads. Additionally, optional memberships are available at the Nest Golf Club, featuring 36 holes of championship golf and a newly renovated clubhouse. Waitlist due to high demand at the Nest may apply. Who wants to renovate? Schedule your appointment to see this move-in ready home today. For more information, review the details below.